Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. I hope you are all doing great. So today I'm coming back with a video for beginners. It's a famous project I did very long time ago and most of you liked it. But this time I'm gonna do it a bit differently and much easier. So for that I'm using a chunky yarn, which I'll put the link in the description box, and 9mm crochet hook. Just to let you know that this video is going to be in slow motions for everyone from very beginner to advanced to see the step-by-step how I made it. So you will see how I make the single crochet blanket and how I'll be changing color during the work, and also what you need to know that I have done 4 rows of each color in this video. I'll show you the end result at the end of the video, so stay tuned and follow. So here I'm starting with a magic loop or a magic ring, and I'm chaining 50. For this, it's an actual baby blanket. I'm making 50 chains. Now, building my first row, what I'm gonna do is 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook, like I'm showing you now. Second chain from the hook, put your hook and yarn over and pull through. You do the same for every chain till you get to the 49th one or 48th. So, single crochet in every chain. Now going on to the next row, and this is very important and crucial. This is when I was a beginner, where I would do the mistake of putting my first stitch in the next row. So the next row I'll be chaining one, and what I need to do is one single crochet in the same stitch as the chain one, not the next stitch, the very first stitch where I chained one. Usually when you see your rows decreasing on the sides, that's because you're not using that first stitch. So one single crochet in the very first stitch and one single crochet in every stitch till the end of the row. Now, there are many ways of changing colors, but the way I do it is very simple. It's like I'm repeating again a new project. I'll make a slip knot again. I'll join into my last row where I worked the single crochet, and then I'll chain one. I'll join with a slip stitch and I'll chain one, and I'll do the same one single crochet in the first stitch and in every stitch around. So this is the final look of the blanket and how it looks like. As I have said in the beginning of the video that I did 4 rows from each color, and this is how it looks like. I hope you like it and found the video easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.